Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. It's an Unfolded channel. I'm Dakshamati guys. So today's video I'm going to talk about how to gain a weight. Okay, so the thing is, in this video we talk about best ways to gain a weight. Okay, there is now lots of ways around in the world to gain a weight. I gotta say it's one of the healthiest ways to get a weight. Okay, I gotta list lots of things is here in this video. So let's begin the video guys. So first thing is, don't drink water. What? Yeah, it says that don't drink water. Yeah, everybody knows that water is good for your health. Yeah, I accept that thing. Water is good for your health. Okay, everybody want to drink water. Yeah, that's right. So here we talk about that. Don't drink water before a meals. Okay, if you drink water before a meals, it just gonna fills your stomach. It leads you to cut off your calories, so you don't eat much. So that's the result. You didn't get lots of weight. So that's why we gotta talk about it. Don't drink water before the meals. Okay, after your meals, you eat a lot. Just simple drink of water. That makes you healthier. Okay guys, so let's move to the another thing in our video. Is it's very simple guys. Just eat proteins. Yeah, proteins. It's good for your body. Yeah, that's the best source for your weight gain. Okay, if you eat a lot of proteins, it just makes you on a lot of weight gain, so it just makes you on a very good. So that's the thing we gotta talk about. That protein is good for your body. So let's move to the another thing is try the protein shakes. Yeah, protein shakes. Yeah, weight gainer shakes. Okay guys, let's try a weight gainer shakes. That makes you help you to get more bulky. Okay, that's the thing we want it. Okay, so the thing is very interesting. So let's move on to the other ways to get a weight. Yeah, there's a lots of ways. I already says that, but I hear that one of the best ways is on this weight gain. So you want to get more fatter, just eat fat. Okay, I say it's the good fat. Okay guys, the fats included the butter, like eat butter, nuts and chicken. That's kind of stuff that makes you fat and also makes you healthy. That's result you're gonna help you to weight gain. That's what I'm gonna talk about it. I'm gonna list here lots of foods to gain your weight. Okay, there I'm gonna list these foods. Just mark it guys. That will help you to gain your weights. Okay, so first food in our list is, it's a very great food. What's that? It's a whole grain bread guys. Okay, the whole grain bread, it's one of the good food and good source for gaining a weight. And another one is nuts and nut butters. You know the nuts and nut butters. Yeah, already says that nuts are good for your body. Yeah, it's also good for your weight gain. It helps you to healthy weight gain. So let's be more on another foods around in this list is, it's a yogurt guys. Okay, the yogurts is a very interesting and tastiest foods around the world, but also helps you to gaining your weight. So that's the thing we says that this food is good for your health. So that's we gonna eat a yogurt that helps you to get a weight. Okay, that was very interesting things. So I'm gonna list it. So let's be more on another food in our list is, that's very tasty food. Okay, everybody know that. You know that what's that? It's an avocado guys. You know the avocado. Yeah, it's one of the healthiest fruit in the world. It also has a lot of carbs, so this helps you to make you fat, and this means it just helps you to gain a weight. Okay, it's a good amount of food guys. Okay, so let's be going another food in our list. It's about carbs guys. Yeah, refined carbs and cereals, starters. These things are good and good. Okay, especially the potatoes. Yeah, that's a very great source of carbs that helps you to gain your weight guys. So let's be more on another thing in our list is, you know that it's a dark chocolate guys. It's surprisingly dark chocolate. Yeah, dark chocolate has a lot of calories that makes you weight gain. Okay guys, so I'm gonna tell about the things is for weight gain. Yeah, I say that lots of foods for weight gain. So I gotta listed some of the foods now. So these are the very good foods. So let's move on some other foods for weight gain. So the food is, just eat dry fruits guys. Yeah, dry fruits are good for weight gaining, so you just have to add this thing. It just helps you to get a weight. And the one of the main source for gaining a weight is, it's the whole egg guys. Okay, the whole eggs, that's a very good source of protein. It just helps you to gain you on a weight. And another one is cheese guys. You know the cheese. Yeah, everybody love the cheese. Cheese is one of the good food. Yeah, this also helps you to gaining a weight. Okay guys, these are the foods or for the weight gaining. Okay guys, the secrets for weight gain is, just eat consistency guys. Okay, eat more foods than you need, and this is the best secret for weight gain guys. So let's be more on another secret. It's about lifting weights. Okay, lifting weights in gym, that helps you to gain you on a weight. That's the main source of things for weight gain guys. I believe that you enjoyed this video, and this is Unfolded channel. I'm Dakshamati guys. If you like this video, just like our channel and subscribe our channel guys. See you next video.